some shortcuts. One other recommendation which I can give you is that shortcuts are available and they can be viewed after you press Shift and question mark. Here you will find the operations on the structure and view options, X and Z. Pressing X hides the task list. It's full-on Gantt chart now. Z goes even deeper, and now we have a full immersion. Even though items are hidden on the left side, with the keyboard shortcuts, you can still operate it, you can still expand it, collapse it to see more or less data. With shortcuts Z and X, you can actually go full presentation mode and explore your Gantt in its fullness. Z and X brings it back to the operational mode. If I select a Jira issue and I press the dot on my keyboard, I can now carry out any operation which I would be able to do while in the Jira issue view. So I can now stop the progress of this item. I can even attach some files right from this place, or I can comment on it. And it will work exactly as if I would comment on it inside of Jira.